Are you looking for a quick meal to make that doesn't take hours? Well, today I'm going to show you. Welcome, I'm Natasha, and on this channel we make easy and straightforward meals following Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide. So today we're going to make that one-pot quinoa meal. If you're looking for other meals and recipes, please download the free guide below. It's a 5-day alkaline meal plan. Okay, let's go make that meal. Okay, so first you need to saute your onions here, and then you add the veggies you want. So I decided to do tomatoes and some green onions. And then you add your washed but uncooked quinoa. So here, for every cup of quinoa, you need 2 cups of liquid. So this was just 1 cup of quinoa. And then I put 2 cups of broth. If you don't have veggie broth, you can use some spring water and add some seasoning. Very easy, straightforward. And then you let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how quickly your stove cooks things. And then here I'm just fluffing it up to show how easy this meal is. I really love that this meal is quick and that you can add whatever veggies you have on hand. So you can even serve this with a nice side salad. Okay, enjoy it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to watch more videos, click the links here. Those are some great videos to watch. And don't forget to download that guide if you need that. Okay, have a good day. Bye.